Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Ang Dioff. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing this bob wig from Jurllyshe Hair, Africanmall. This is a 12-inch bob. It comes with a bang and it's pre-plucked. And we're going to be installing this wig today. It was a very easy install because as you can see, there's no glue in, there's no glue process. All you're doing is putting it on like a hat. So this is how the wig looks on my head, and we're just going to, customize it, cut it, and just fix it into a cute wig. So as I was cutting, I was going for a blunt cut with this bang, and I did get that type of look towards the end. So guys, I'm just flat ironing the hair and bumping the end. This hair takes the heat really well, and it was soft hair, like human hair. And this is kind of the final look. So I just got my hot comb to make the top flatter than it already was. So I also went ahead and put some concealer on the part, just, just to add a little touch to it. And I ended up doing my makeup also because I felt like this wig was trash without my face beat. You need to beat your face when you cop this wig. So when I ended up doing my makeup, I fell in love with this wig. Shout out to Jurllyshe and Africanmall for sending me this wig. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.